Hello, this is practice it exercise 8.14 class line, and write a class called line that represents a line segment between 2 points. Your line object should have the following methods. So we're pretty much putting all of these methods inside here. Okay, so we'll go by method, but first we will write all the methods that are required first. So we'll say public line point p1, point p2. Okay, and then we'll have our public point get p1, like that. And then same thing, but for p2, public point get p2, just like that. And then lastly, we'll get public string to string, and then get that. All right. All right. Now let's put everything that's supposed to go inside. So first thing I notice here is that we have these two parameters. So we do need to define that outside. So we'll just say point p1 and then point p2, like that. Okay. And then afterwards, we do need to put things inside each of our methods. Okay. So for this one, it wants us to construct a new line that contains the given 2 points. So we'll just call the line this. So this point p1 is equal to p1, and this p2 is equal to p2, like that. Okay, and then for our p1 and p2, it just tells us to return this line's first endpoint and second endpoint. So we just need to return p1 and return p2 for the other one. Return p2, like that. Okay, and then now for our toString method, it wants us to convert everything into this format. Okay, so this might be a little tedious, but we'll say return, and then we'll put these three things inside. So we'll say square bracket, parentheses, close that off with the string, p1.x plus, and then we'll add our comma, make sure there's a space over there, and you get the p1.x, y, plus, and then we need to get everything over here. So we'll say parentheses, and then we'll add the comma, and then the opening of the parentheses, and then we'll string that off, then plus, and then we need the p2x, and then the comma, plus, and then p2 and the y, and then we'll add our closing, which will be the closing parentheses and the closing square bracket, just like that. Okay, and then I think that should solve this problem. Let's run it. And yeah, all our test cases are passed, which means this problem is correct. And that's it for this problem, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.